All right, so it's a new day. He got some wheels. We got right here the mother sucking spoons. Legit spoons. I can't really tell right here. There you go, some Japanese writing. You can't really tell with the camera, but these are legit spoon wheels. As you can see, lift it up. Look at that. Like, hey, yo. Look at that. Light as a feather. So what we're gonna do is, all right, we get it. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna jack this bad boy. First of all, we're gonna bring it inside, jack it up, and slap the wheels on. And then these are coming to me. These are some raised Evo wheels. They look kind of ugly, obviously, as you can see right here. But I am gonna paint them all black and get some big fat tires and make it. Don't worry, trust the process, man. These are gonna get on the EF over there, trust me. But anyways, we're gonna push this bad boy in and put the wheels on. We also forgot to mention he got this OEM lip from what? EG6 SIR, whatever the heck SIR2. Look at that. So he's gonna put that bad boy on. He already put 2 of these mother suckers on. He's gonna need a little bit of spacers if he wants to, because that's just going in there. You say you're not gonna rock spacers? Hell no. Oh, he's not Fitman King, huh? He put 2 in the front, and now he's gonna put 2 in the back. And whenever he's done with that lip too. So this is the whole entire whip now with the spoon wheels. Yes, sir. Let me see these little spoonies. It needs low, yes, we know. Relax, people, all right? Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. And let me go show you the actual little lip in the front. Let me see that bad boy. There you go. Beautiful, right, guys? He's also gonna get the OEM fog lights too for this car. And yeah, he's gonna obviously lower it and do more things, but he has the swap and all that stuff they have to take care of after, so. Well, before, I mean, yeah. All right, so it's the next day. I had to leave early yesterday because I had to go do something. So my boy washed the engine bay, well, cleaned the engine bay, he degreased it, and he told me he already put the motor in. So I'm gonna head to his house after I go to my cousin's, because my cousin's working on some project and he wants to show me. So I'll go over there first and I'll film that, so you're gonna see in a little bit. All right, so I made it to my cousin's house. This is what he's doing right here. This is a 3rd generation Honda Prelude. Well, 3rd generation. 89. It's an 89, you happy? He took the strut towers from a S2K and he's gonna weld it onto this chassis. Well, I'm talking about finish it up like all this, yeah. But yeah, it's welded on. He's gonna make it rear-wheel drive and put a K20? Go K24. K24, he's gonna make it rear-wheel drive and he's gonna supposedly drift with this. You can't even see it that much, but it's a, oh shit, race car. It's a freaking 3rd generation Prelude, like I said. He got the mock-up motor right there. He got the transmission. Let me zoom in over here, because he's not gonna see. Transmission right here from a S2K. And my plate. The plate to adapt it to the K20. That's a K20, right?
K20, yeah.
There you go. He got the plate already.
My mounts are coming in a few days.
So so what else you gotta do over here?
So basically, the subframe bolts in already.
The subframe is right down there.
Yeah, it bolts in to these 2 bolts right here. It's not gonna bolt up to here because I'm gonna use this subframe up here to run 2x4s.
This?
Steel 2x4s. No, those 3x6, I think. So I'm gonna run the 2x4s and push the motor forward, because if I was to use this subframe with the original motor brackets, the motor would sit inside the chassis, inside the car. So like you have to like knock this whole shit out then, basically. Yeah, but I'm gonna end up running the motor up here.
So yeah, this is what he's been up to. Let me know if you guys want me to record the whole process. I'll record it. If you don't want me to record it, you can watch it on his channel. It'll be right here. That's the app. And yeah, he's gonna make this look as pretty as possible, because I think only one person has done this before, right?
But they did a tube.
Oh, they did like a tube front end type shit.
And it's a race car.
So yeah, he's gonna try to make it look as nice as possible. He's never done something like this ever before, so that's what he's gonna do. It looks kind of caca-schmaca right now, but trust the process, I guess. Anyways, now that you guys seen that, let me go to my boy's house so you can see what he's up to. So he already put the motor in, the Type R. He has OEM Type R headers, correct? He's gonna mount that bad boy on here. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to see the process of him slapping it in, slapping it in and taking out the single cam. This dude does it every single time in the damn channel, so it's the same shit all over again. So I don't know if you guys can see everything. He also got the valve cover repowder coated wrinkle red. Yes, it has this, but he's gonna scrape that off. So yeah, he got the valve cover powder coated. It's not the best powder coat job, but it'll do. Like I said, he's gonna sand this off, the logos, both of the logos, and that's it. He's putting everything else together. He's gonna slap on these headers right after that, and we're gonna hear it turn on, hopefully. Says misfiring? Yeah. So yeah, we just got out this this junkyard for EFs only, basically. Look at all the EFs right there. Beautiful. So we're just gonna get the hell out of here now, if I can make it. We got a bumper. You
this
feel
ain't
me?
just a EF junkyard. This is a mosquito swamp.
For real. But yeah, it's only like EFs and shit. Look at this. Whoo. Beautiful. Look at him. Look at. Oh, he's turned around right there. He ain't stupid. But yeah, he has a. We're gonna be over here a lot.
Yep, a lot.
A lot.
Whoa, sick.
No, don't count me in this.
Oh, you're coming too. Whoa. What
Oh shit, fucking beaver.
Beaver?
A beaver, bro.
Don't hit the camper.
So these guys were they're camping here?
I think he's saying campers because like they have like tents and shit like this.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying they're
We gotta
camping.
go off-roading more often. Man, look at this shit. Oh
Fuck.
my god.
We're putting the pilot to the test.
Oh yeah. It's been what? 3-4 years?
Yeah, about the goddamn time.
Look at this beautiful. Oh, yeah, I need new suspension though. We're going to Denny's. Should I run through it? Hell.
Shit.
Let me see.
Oh!
Oh, caramba. Nigga, come on, bro. This is nothing for this fucking shit, bro. Light work.
Look.
No, he has all the parts I need over here. Look at that shit. See, that's still cool. I like that box one.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah, $200? That's not bad, but he gave me the wipers. He gave me the freaking overflow tank. He gave me the freaking thing for the windshield wiper fluid. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
All right, so we came back from the junkyard and this is what I got. I ended up getting these 2 brackets for the radiator mount. Well, for the radiator so you could hold it steady, I guess. There's 2 of these. I saw them online for $100. I bought them for $40. We got an overflow tank for the radiator right here. Got it for, I think it was 20 or 40. And we got 2 wiper arms because mine doesn't have it at all. I got them for $40. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff these up completely. I'm gonna wire brush all of it and try to get the paint off. And after I get the paint off, I'm gonna spray paint them with a matte finish. So that's what I'm gonna do with these first. Damn, it's just a broken right here, but hey, it was $40. All right, so we're gonna test these out first. It's already sanded down, well, wire wielded down. And we have this, just some leftover matte finish, custom shop. You hear that? Rust-Oleum paint. Hopefully it comes out good. I never tried this before, so well, I never tried this paint. So yeah, we'll see. We got the brackets here painted already. I let it dry for at least a day. Yes, it's not the best. Look, it's all crimpity, crackety right there. But the reason why I couldn't get to this, because when I was sanding down this part, all the little bubbles, this was coming off the little grommet, like it was getting ripped off, and I don't think you could replace these. So yeah, I just painted it black. I'm gonna mock it up right here, and that's it. I should have painted it white, to be honest, but the OEM look is black. So all we gotta do is do that and push the radiator a little bit to the right like that and bolt it down. And also here's the wiper arms that I forgot to record. Well, I think I did, but whatever. The hood is smacking the wiper arm. Look, it already chipped off the paint right here too. I don't know, maybe the hood is warped or this is freaking stupid, so I don't know. I'm gonna get a whole new front end anyway, so when I get the new front end, if it doesn't hit it, I'll just paint it again and slap the whole front end in there. So
run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a slow day. Where I'm from, the block get high,